India has the rich tradition of tree plantation. Trees are considered as the sacred and profane in India. And we have Indus Valley civilization where the seal representing banyan tree or people were found. So right from the Indus Valley civilization, trees were considered and even today are considered as the sacred in India. And that is why the tradition of Vanamotsav, which is celebrated in India by government, actually we have rich history wherein the people not only worship the tree but they plant the tree, and plantation of tree is required for them not only to get the shade or the fruit or the flower or the roots and shoots, but they were considering it as the representation of the procreation. So that is why plantation of tree has great significance in India. We have the Emperor Ashoka, who not only built hospital for human being but also for the animals. He planted both side of the road the trees so that the people can get the cool shade. We have in medieval history the Sher Shah Suri, who gave importance to the plantation, and the roads were designed in such a way that tree plantations gain importance. The Britishers who were ruling our country, they also realized the importance of the tree plantation, and that is why when the road from Gadag to Bangalore was planned, the Britishers planned it in such a way that the both sides of the road they planted the varieties of the ficus trees, the Ficus bengalensis or the Ficus religiosa. That is why even today if you go to Gadag to Bangalore, then you will see this tradition. In Mahabaleshwar also, both sides of the road, while going from Satara, you will find the trees are planted. So trees are very important. Vanamotsav traditions tells us our heritage, which focuses not only worshipping tree but planting trees and taking utmost care of the tree like the children. So that is why right from India in various parts of the world or in the Asiatic country, we have the tradition considering trees not only sacred but as ecological importance for generating oxygen, giving us water, because tree, when rain falls, the tree takes the water percolates inside the soil because of the roots of the trees. So trees are very important, and another boon the trees are doing on earth is we emit carbon. You know, the carbon emission reached to such a zenith that it is creating problem. The air pollution, which is the result of all human activity, the anthropogenic pressure is so much that it is resulted in air pollution. So in order to minimize the air pollution, in order to absorb the carbon dioxide, the trees are playing important role, because whatever photosynthesis process is there, the preparing food is done by the plant with the carbon dioxide available, and trees are releasing the gallons of oxygen, which is life supporting, life sustaining. So that is why tree plantation is very important, and I will urge you all to plant such trees which are there in your locality. Don't plant the exotic trees, because exotic trees will going to create more problem. You know, under social forestry, the government of India, the state government undertook the plantation of the trees, and what type of the trees they planted? They planted such type of the trees that are creating more problem for us. The monoculture, for example, the eucalyptus planted first time by the Britishers in Karnataka, and the place, because of the eucalyptus and because of the hill, the Nilgiri hill, because in Karnataka we have Belgiri and Nilgiri. Belgiri means the black stone mountain, and Nilgiri means blue stone mountain. So because of the trees, eucalyptus first planted in this area, they are known today as Nilgiri. So Nilgiri or Acacia menginum or Acacia auriculus, all these trees, are important in a particular place like Australia, but they are not beneficial, important for India. In India, we have to plant the tree as per the topography, as per the climatic condition, and as per the geographical condition. So that is why under Vana Mahotsava, let us unite and plant such a trees that will give us not only fruit, not only oxygen, but help to protect our soil, nutrients, help us to give the cool shade and make our life happy and more sukhੀ. And that is why one of our sage, one of our sant, Tukaram says, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरी पक्षी ही आळविती सुस्वरी. This is right, because trees are our friends, trees are our relatives. Let us protect this bond and let us protect and take care of whatever trees we are planting.